Hello children, welcome to e-learning class. This is Namita ma'am and I am going to explain you the fourth chapter of your English grammar book, Articles. Let us discuss the use of articles in detail. A, an and the are articles and they are used with nouns. They are used to point out things, people, animals and places. A, an and the are articles and comes before nouns. Examples: the bicycle that my dad gave me is red in color. Here the is article. He gave me a book to read. Here a is the article and book is noun here. Types of articles. As we know, there are two types of articles: definite articles and indefinite articles. A and are called indefinite articles while the is called the definite articles. So let's discuss indefinite articles. A and an are indefinite articles because they do not point at any particular person or thing. They always suggest any person or anything. They come before singular common nouns. Example: give me an apple to eat. Here an is an article. So here the speaker wants any apple. A is used before a singular countable noun that begins with a consonant sound. Examples: a man, a baby, a European, a university. Children, here European begins with E and university begins with U respectively. They begin with the consonant sound U. An is used before a singular countable noun which begins with a vowel sound. Examples: an apple, an American, an R, an MP. Though R, Hour, begins with the consonant H, it begins with a vowel sound since H remains silent. In MP, the word begins with the vowel sound E since we pronounce MP as EMPEE. Uses of a and an. A and an are used to indicate one person or thing. May be used for anything or person. Example: a puppy came running towards me. Here, a single puppy is the subject of the sentence. To show a certain quantity, there are a dozen oranges. To show profession, rank, caste, community, religion of a person. Example: he is a general, a nurse, a teacher, a Christian. The is definite article which indicates a particular object, thing or person. It can come before both singular and plural nouns. Example: the book that you gave me was interesting. Here, the speaker is talking about the particular book that was given to him or her, and this is indicated by the placed before the noun book. Uses of the. The is used before any noun when we want to particularize it. Example: we lost the game against Delhi Daredevils. Here the speaker is talking about not any game but the game that his team played against Delhi Daredevils. Before the name of holy or great books: the Gita, the Bible, the Quran. Trains, ships, aeroplanes, the Rajdhani Express, the British Airways. Before a common noun when that noun represents the whole class. Example: the tiger belongs to the cat family. The directions: the north, the south. Well known buildings: the India Gate, the Qutub Minar, the Red Fort. before a noun to show a unit of measurement. Examples: milk is sold by the liter. Eggs are sold by the dozen. Before adjectives in the comparative degree. Example: the older he grew, the wiser he became. Article the is also used with certain groups of words like in the morning, in the afternoon, to play the guitar, on the other hand, on the one hand, on the move. With nouns which are names of unique things: the earth, the sun, the sky, the moon. Before the names of newspapers, magazines, and books. Before the names of rivers and seas. Before the names of oceans. Before the names of deserts. Before the names of landmarks. Before the ordinal number and superlative degree or adjective. Example: the second seat in that row is mine. Here second is the ordinal number. You are the best. Here best is the superlative degree or adjective. Now omission of articles. Articles a, an, and the are omitted before names of substances and abstract nouns which used in a general sense. Examples: sugar is sweet. Beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder. Before most proper nouns such as names of people, names of continents, countries. Examples: India is densely populated. China has progressed well. Before names of meals used in a general sense. Examples: dinner has been served. Breakfast is ready. Before languages: English, French. Example: Miss Saint teaches English. Before names of relations: father, mother, brother, uncle. Example: father has gone to play golf. When a noun is used in a general sense. Example: cotton is a natural fiber. With names of days, months, and seasons. Example: Monday is the first working day of the week. Some points you have to remember. Number 1, a and an are indefinite articles, for they do not point to any specific person, object, or thing. Any person or any object is always suggested by them. Number 2, a is used before a singular countable noun that begins with a consonant sound. Number 3, an is used before a singular countable noun which begins with a vowel sound. Number 4, the is the definite article which indicates a particular thing, object, or person. The last one, the can come before both singular and plural nouns. That's all for this video lecture. I hope you all have understood this chapter. Thank you so much.